Hello everyone, and in this session I am going to show you how we can connect from Odoo to Foodics, the full login process from Odoo to Foodics. So for that we required some parameters you can see in the screen. So the first parameter is the sandbox links and production link. So this is the basically we required to from Foodics side. So the next thing is the account number, username and password. This basically we require to log into the particular Foodics application, like web application. Then we required a client ID and secret key. So this is basically required to call the API from Odoo to Foodics. Then the redirect URL. So the redirect URL is nothing but the Odoo server link. So whenever any API will call from Odoo to Foodics, so Foodics will return in this particular URL. So this is nothing but the Odoo server URL. Then let's try now to connect and all the steps how we can connect from Odoo to Foodics. So for that, the first step is we need to start the web application, Foodics web application in our browser. So for that, for now we are just using a sandbox account. So let me open the link for the sandbox. So here we required an account number, email ID and password. So we will just take account number from here, paste it, and then we will use the same email IDs and same password, then login. So here we are login. The first thing we are logging into the Foodics account, and then we also need to log into the Odoo side as well. So we are just clicking on the link, and here the Odoo link will open. So here we are just login with the admin account and login. So here we have already logged in the both system. Now the first step we need to do is install the modules. As we know, we already installed the Foodics module, but if the module is not installed, we just need to search here with the name of Foodics, and you will find these are the two modules which we need to install. As we already installed this module, so after the install module you will find an app over here. So this with the Foodics icon, so the name is Foodics Connector. So here obviously we need to configure such a things like which we can connect from Odoo to Foodics. So for that, let's click on that, and here already I have created one record previously, so I am just removing that record to start from new. Then let's just create a new record, and here we just add a name like app1. And here for now we are just connecting with the sandbox account, but whenever we are moving to the production, we just need to select this production option. So based on that sandbox and production, the URL will get automatically changed. So here we no need to do anything, just we need to select a production or a sandbox like that. Okay, then the client ID and the secret key. So this is the main key point which we require to call an API from Odoo to Foodics. So for that we will just taking the client ID from here and putting over here, and we will take the secret key and add over here. Okay, so this is the things we just did. And you like redirect URL, so this also can be different for each server. So we have given as a configuration. So here what we need to do is just click on the copy the URL and paste it over here. So now only this step we need to perform, and then just click on the generate token. So Odoo will automatically generate the API token from and it will take from API token from Foodics, generate the Foodics token and automatically set over here. And once we generate the token will automatically set over here, and also it will change the status will be changed from the draft to authenticate, like that. Okay, then another option, and also the operation will appear over here, these are the operation we can perform after the login. So here we have given an option to sync automatically. So it will sync automatically. By default it will be 1 hour, but once if we click on this, so we are getting an option every hour, how much every hour, 1 hour or every 2 hours it will sync automatically, or every 8 hours or 12 hours, let's say. So every day in a one, like that. And these are the a normal configuration to automatically sync everything. And if we can move as a manual, so here we can see all the manual button. So we can sync the tags, user, branch, customer, modifiers, products, payment methods, text group, taxis, and all the things are covered. And for the sync orders, for that we will use the webhook part. So for that we didn't give any button over here, but for as we are going to move as a webhook part. So these are the, also we have added some small manual. So this will help you to take a guide for the basic knowledge of connect, how actually we are connecting and Odoo with Foodics. So we have just added a small guideline to help user to integrate to connect an Odoo with Foodics. So now we just sync the we have just saved the records, and let's try to sync something from here. Let's say a customer sync. So when we just click on the customers, so if any something issue or something like that, so it will show you a message over here, some issue with the proper message. So you can easily identify what are the issues and if anything is there. And if we let's try to sync the products, so if all the products will be there, then all the products will come with the images, all the products will come over here. So let's sync it. It might take some bit more time, as all the products will be there and should be there then. So these are the things what exactly we have tried to sync. And we will sync we will see in the next video how we can sync all these products to the this particular Odoo to Foodics. Okay.